The question is, Raman, a scientist, kept a solution of diluted acid in his lab. The solution contains acid and water in the ratio 6:7. He heated the solution to get its concentration of 50%, as in he wanted acid and water in the ratio 1:1. But he heated it in excess, and then the ratio of acid and water got reversed, as in the ratio of acid and water was 6:7. Now it became 7:6 because water got evaporated more. He heated the solution for 8/2/3 minutes. If the rate of evaporation of acid is 66.66% less than that of water, find the time in minutes for which the solution was heated after having this 50% concentration. So it means how many minutes excess was it heated. So there are a couple of things that we need to understand for this question. The first thing is the volume can be calculated, volume of acid, or in some or similar questions like this, as the rate of evaporation, or you can also use rate of condensation. If it's something is getting added, evaporation means things are getting removed with the time. And this will get you the volume of solution getting evaporated. Okay. So rate here means the percentage. Okay. The related. Another thing to understand is 66.66% less here will mean 2/3 less than that of water. So we are going to take water's efficiency as 3. So the acid's efficiency will become 2 less, which will become 1. So these are the two things we will start with. So it is known that acid initially was 6x and water initially was 7x. And eventually the ratio became 7:6, right? Let's talk about the rate of evaporation. So I'm going to use ROE for that. So for water, the rate of evaporation I will take is 3E, and that of acid will be 2 less. 2 less means 2E minus, so it will simply become E. So that's what the rate of evaporation of acid is. So water is evaporating faster than acid, right? Okay, now using these two, can we say acid was 6x, water was 7x? They both were heated for 8/2/3 minutes. 8/2/3 is going to be 26/3 minutes. So how much of acid will be evaporated? So the rate of evaporation of acid is A into, for the duration we just calculated is 26/3 minutes. So this much of acid will get evaporated. Similarly for water, it's going to be 3E into 26/3. Now the ratio of the resultant is given as the interchange happening, right? 7/x. Of course we have, 7/6. Of course, we have two variables and just one equation so far. We won't be able to figure out what X or E is, but we can definitely figure out the relation between them. So for that, we will have to cross multiply. So we will have 3 into 6, 18x minus 26e divided by 7 into 3, 21x. Because I want to get rid of denominator 3 from both, so I'm taking the LCM. 3 into 26, which is going to be 78e, and this is going to be 7/6. If we cross multiply, we will have, we can take out anything common. Yes, we can take out 3 common from here, right? This is 2, and this is going to be 26, and this is going to be 7. So should have cancelled out 3 initially only. Anyways, so if now cross multiply, I will have 36x minus 52e is equal to 49x minus 26 into 7 is 140, 42, so 182E. Okay. If we bring all the x on one side, we will have 49 minus 36x is going to be 13x, and 182E minus 52E is 130E, or we can say that the x is going to be 10 times E, or the evaporation rate of evaporation is 1/10 the volume that, I mean, numerically it's 1/10 the volume that is given, right? Okay, the next part is how much extra did we heat here? Now, suppose the extra time that was heated was, instead of calculating extra time, let's say that the duration for which if it was heated so that the concentration of each of them was become 50% is, let's say, for T time it was supposed to be heated. If it was supposed to be heated for T time, going by the same logic, can we say 6x minus the efficiency of acid into T time divided by 7x minus efficiency rate, as in rate of evaporation, into T time. This should have given us 1:1. So from here, what we can do is we can substitute, instead of x, 10E. So we can put 10E. If you put 10E, what you will see is E getting cancelled out from the numerator and denominator throughout. So we will have 60 minus T divided by 70 minus 3T is equal to 1/1. If we cross multiply, we will have 60 minus T is equal to 70 minus 3T. And this is going to result in T is going to be 5. As in, for 5 minutes, if it was heated, we were supposed to have a concentration where the acid and water were equal, 50% concentration, in other words. So for how long was it heated extra? So it was supposed to be heated for 5 minutes. We end up heating it for 8 2/3 minutes. So can we say extra that it was heated was for 3 2/3 minutes? And 3 2/3 minutes is nothing but 11/3 minutes. So B is going to be our answer.